One of the breakthrough technologies in cancer therapies is CAR T cell therapy. Now, what is CAR T cell therapy? CAR, which is the Chimeric Antigen Receptor, is one of the techniques through which special receptors are grown in laboratories, and these receptors are then infused in human beings. They have a capability to bind to the cancer cell and prevent its further growth, and this would be a breakthrough technology which could in future replace surgery, chemotherapy and radiation therapies. So 2000 was the period where developments in the cancer therapy marked its key, and there were various drugs that were brought for cancer cells, and they were specifically targeting on specific molecules. The later developments included immunotherapy. Now, immunotherapy helps to strengthen the immunity of a person against the tumor cells, and they basically help in preventing the growth of the cancer cells. Now, the drugs which are called as immune checkpoint inhibitors are used to treat cancer in patients specifically like suffering from lung, kidney, bladder, melanoma cancers, right? So this immune checkpoint inhibitors have a new development which is the CAR T cell therapy. Now this therapy has brought in definite advancements. However, as of now, it has been used in only blood cancer cases, leukemia cancer cases, but it is believed that this therapy could be a successful therapy for further purposes as well. So what happens is the T cells are removed from the patient. So whole of the blood is removed through a machine, and then the WBC is separated from the WBC. T cells are separated specifically, and the remaining blood is sent back to the person. Now these T cells, in those T cells the CAR genes are inserted. Then these CAR receptors, which is the chimeric antigen receptors, once injected into the T cells, are allowed to grow in laboratory. Millions of these CAR cells are grown, and then they are infused back into the person. Now once they are infused back into the person, they have a capability to bind to the cancer cell and kill them. So once they bind to the cancer cell, the growth is limited. So this way CAR T cell therapy has proved out to be a breakthrough technology in development, and therefore it becomes an important topic in science and technology in the upcoming classes. Thanks for joining in.